Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Check it out. The fine folks over at Radioditty went ahead and sent me this. This is the X1, and it's a nice little kit here of FRS radios. Comes in a 2-packed, ultra compact, as you can see here. And we'll see what else it got here. Does have the batteries. Oh, isn't that nice of them? So one of the things that you may see me struggle with when I do review videos and assembly videos is trying to put these clips on, these screw-on clips. This one here is just a slide-on, but they went ahead and did that from the factory. So just gonna kind of put these in place here. There we go. There's one. Oh, I did not get that on there right. There we go. Now there's one. And there's the other. Just kind of sits in there. If I can get it lined up. Oh, got it upside down. Like so. Then there's just a clip down there at the bottom to hold that in place. So there's two. Other stuff that it shows up with here, it looks like we have a nice, it's almost like a breakaway here. See if I press this button, it comes loose. So you can have a lanyard around here. And then if you want to, like a wrist carry, let's see here, I'll show you what I'm talking about. You can kind of have it so you can have it hanging off. Does that make sense? All right. Well, let's take a look. Oh, also it comes with, if I can get this off my wrist, wall wart, which is nice that it has that and not just the cable, but it's like a 1-into-2 USB-C connector, so you can charge both these. And let's see, charging is right there on the side of the unit. Plug it in and charge it while the battery is attached. Okay, all right. So let's take a look at the manual real quick, and we'll see what we got here. Not a whole lot to this. FRS radio, of course, pretty simplistic radio, which, to be honest with you, I like. Some of these radios that I play with here are so complex, and it would take so long to set them up that I feel like sometimes the learning curve is just so out there, This one, I will say that the writing is big enough that I can see it. And there's about 20 different steps, but it has some stuff with the display and general settings. Place the radio into the desk charger to charge the battery. So it does also have, and this one did not come with that, but it has 3 little dots here, so you can slide it into a charger and charge off of that as well. Let's see. Also has some replay mode. That's kind of cool. Scan mode, noise reduction control, voice activation, Roger beep, key beep, backlight brightness, and backlight timeout, plus battery saver. And then our channel coverage is, what you'd expect. We have a 22-channel FRS radio. Awesome. Okay. Cool. Well, let me see, make sure there's nothing else in the box. I don't think there is, So there are, apparently you could get a desk charger for these, which would be kind of cool to have. But what I'm going to do now is go ahead and get the camera closer and we'll take a closer look at this thing and see the features and functions. Let's do it. All right. Well, here we are. You can see the thing up close here. Speaker, microphone port, screen. We got a couple of up, down, OK, lock, replay, and menu. On the side, looks like an A and B function key on this side and our push to talk. On this side, if I can peel that down, we should have our Vox equipment, our wireless mic. There we go. Yeah, you can see standard mic and Vox unit there, as well as our charging port down here, USB-C. And all this is, I'm not going to say waterproof, but it is nice rubber coating here. Here's your charging pad if you want to place these into a charging dock. Nice belt clip here. Up on top, a non-removable microphone. This is probably when we key up, it'll light up, I would imagine. And then here is our volume on-off. Nice little chirp. Battery indicator. And let's see here. All right. Monitor button. And that one's not programmed. Let's push to talk. Yeah, and you can see the transmit button and a Roger beep. I'm going to turn that down just a little bit. All right, let's get into menu. We have squelch. We can change that. Battery. ABL. Not sure what that one is. Dimness. Class OK. We can change the brightness of this. We'll leave it at 3. Beep. Let's get rid of that beep. All right, battery. We want that battery saver off. Let's turn that off right now. Roger beep. We can turn that on and off. I'll leave that on. A busy button. Vox. We're going to leave that off. Noise control, let's turn that on. And screen, how long do we want that on for? And replay, let's do that's on there. We'll leave that off as well. Tone control, and then we're back to squelch. So that's pretty cool. We do have a lock, and you can see it's turned on. Press again to turn it down. Channel up and down features. If we want to press the top button over here, we can get into monitor mode. So if you were listening to a really distant station, that would be great. Your replay mode, so if you were having a conversation with someone, you actually do have a short playback, which is kind of cool. But on this, I'm gonna turn the volume down because I don't want to go crazy here. But if you press and hold, it's an SRS. And we'll get rid of that. So yeah, not a very long video on this thing, but FRS radios, I mean, you know, it's funny, got a bunch of these over the years that I played with. Love them. Actually really do like FRS radios in general. I think they're just the easiest way to do it. But it's cool to see that they've included some more fancy features on some of these FRS radios, where it used to just be, you know, gosh, the pair that I had forever while we were building our first house or rebuilding our first house, that thing was just on, off, and channel. And it worked. And you know what, honestly, that's okay. It's kind of like a basic CB radio. Sometimes you just need something you can turn on, pick a channel, and talk. The other times you want some extra features. Same thing with CB radio, right? Well, this one has a whole bunch of extra features. I guess that'll do it. I'll leave a link to where you can get one of these. It's the Raddioditty X1 FRS Radio Pack. Till next time, my friends, take care.